Hi parents, it's Mr. Life again. So last time we kind of got into the materials, just let them kind of play around with some stuff. Today we're going to get into some of the more science-y background information. There's a reading in here that they're going to do, there's a video or two they're going to watch talking about charge and the flow of electrons coming out of this battery and how it moves through. Once they get through kind of some of that science-y piece, they're going to come up with some vocabulary. And at this point, it's good for them to continue to start using that vocabulary when they're describing what they're doing. They can say, the electrons or the charge is coming out of the negative side of the battery. It's moving towards the positive side of the battery, which if you don't know batteries, the positive side is the one with the big plus on it. It's got the little knobby thing on it. So, the videos that are in there are going to kind of give them this idea that electricity is flowing charge, and they should already have this idea of a complete circuit. Today we're going to start then play a little bit with the LED, and what they're going to notice is that the LED, there's a couple of things they need to pay attention to. First off, the LED only works in one direction. It's going to be very, very dim, so they're really going to have to look for this. We don't have a lot of voltage here. We can start to build voltage by putting solar panels and different things involved, but with just the battery, I think the voltage is actually pretty small, so it's gonna be pretty dim, but you can see it. In fact, I can even see it here. Another thing they're going to notice about the LED is that it only works one direction. It works this way, it doesn't work this way. So they have to be very careful about which side they put on the negative side of the battery. This has kind of reinforced this idea that the battery has two sides. It has a positive and a negative, and that the current can only flow one way through an LED. What you'll notice about the LED, and hopefully they have some notices, and you can kind of help them point this out, but one of the legs of the LED is longer than the other. And if you look inside the LED, you can see kind of a tooth in there and then kind of like a little holder in there as well. So the LED does have a front and a left side and a right side, or a positive side and a negative side. And they can start to define what that is. So if they can get the LED to light up today using their battery, even if it lights up very, very dimly, I think that's a win. So if you have any questions, please contact your teacher, or you can contact me at likescience2020@gmail.com, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like science and you like this video, feel free to like this video below and subscribe for future updates.